This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock Surron faster. To begin, understand that achieving substantial speed increases involves a few key modifications. We will explore the most effective ways to boost both acceleration and top speed, transforming your ride into a much more powerful machine. Get ready to learn the secrets to making your Surron significantly faster and more thrilling on any terrain, focusing on core component enhancements. The single most impactful upgrade for a faster Surron is an aftermarket controller. The stock controller limits power, but a new one, like a 72-volt unit, can push significantly more amps to the motor. This translates directly into a massive boost in acceleration and top speed. You could see peak power outputs increase from around 6,000 watts to over 10,000 watts, making your bike feel incredibly responsive and powerful. To fully utilize an upgraded controller, a more robust battery is absolutely crucial. A higher voltage battery, typically a 72-volt system, provides the necessary power to unlock your Surron's true potential. This upgrade not only supports increased amperage, but also directly contributes to higher top speeds. Pairing a 72-volt battery with 60 amp hours or more ensures sustained power and exhilarating performance on every ride. Once your controller and battery are optimized, consider fine-tuning your gearing. A larger rear sprocket, for example, can significantly improve acceleration for off-road riding, though it might slightly reduce your top speed. For the ultimate performance, an upgraded motor can provide even greater power and efficiency, especially when paired with a high-performance controller and battery. These final steps ensure every watt of power is used effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.